Okay, I am back with the what I packed for lunch. As a teacher that has lost almost 60 pounds, you guys, I have been out for a few days. I took a few days off for my mental health and I feel so much better. If you need the days, take the days. I used to be a teacher that just never took my days. I thought I needed to just be at school all the time for my students and I did not put myself first. But this year I am not doing that because at the end of the day, you have to take care of yourself. If you are not taking care of yourself, how can you take care of your students? So I'm so excited to see all my students today. And I'm so excited to unpack my lunch. I do not know what's in here. I didn't pack my own lunch today, but I'm so excited because I have an idea. So let's go ahead and unpack. You guys, I am finally back on my routine of going to the gym and all of those great things as I took a road trip to Louisiana. And then yesterday I went to Costco, Aldi, Walmart, H-E-B, did all my shopping, organized the house, and just getting myself together. Even though we have a few more days to Thanksgiving break, I think that's just why I'm just like so excited. But as always, let's start off with our breakfast. So for breakfast, I have one fluffy blueberry protein waffle with 3 chicken sausages, eggs, and liquid egg whites. Chicken sausage is really high in protein and low calories. 3 sausages for 120 calories, and I believe it's like 30 grams of protein. And I got these from Costco. Today is the first basketball game of the season that my girls will be cheering at. Hold on. Okay, I'm back there. We're making an announcement. And for lunch, meal prep is happening today. So for lunch is just some Bear Bite nuggets with some seasoned fries. Bear Bite nuggets are really high in protein, low in calories. And for that, I have buffalo sauce, ketchup, and sweet and spicy sriracha. Buffalo sauce is really good for weight loss because it's 0 calories. And then for my snacks today, I have a protein like Lunchable because again I'll be staying for a game today, so I have this to snack on. I have my popcorn and then my other snacks. This I will have for breakfast too, 20 grams of protein. Y'all, these are my new favorites, so if you ever want to get me something, give me this, okay? This. It's a flaming hot meat stick. Oh my gosh, love it so much. And then I have a Cheerios protein bar, and then I have some Unreal candy because it's almost that time in the month and I'm already craving sweets, and these are low in sugar and low in calories. And of course I will be drinking my Stanley all day. I am currently using it to hold up my phone because I packed up all my stuff and I have nothing on my desk. So these are some things that I have incorporated into my diet that has helped me lose almost 60 pounds and actually keep the weight off.